guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing my Bolzano monthly bag. I love this company. They send over the cutest little bags, the cutest little accessories. I cannot wait to open this one. So let's just do that right now. All right, so if you guys want to check this out, it is a monthly subscription. They have all different kinds of subscription boxes, so you can do like purse accessories where they put accessories in your purse monthly, or there's all kinds of ones. I will leave links in the description box below, so if you do want to check Bolzano out, you can check them out there. Check out all their fun subscription boxes. So this is the purse I got this month. It is white. I think this is cute. It's good for summer. It's good for fall. It's probably even good for winter. I'm really feeling this on the side. I love this like metal or the little chain and like the leather wrapped around. So it's like a leather bag, and then it just opens up like this. And then your fun little purse accessories are right inside the purse. So this month I received, it looks like, some hoop earrings. So those are super fancy. I also received this little tie. I don't know if this is for your hair or for your bag, but I think that's really, really cute. You can just tie it to the strap of your bag. I like that. It's really cute. I like the colors a lot. It's like gray with polka dots. And then I also received sunglasses in a little case. That's really cool, really fancy. I'm gonna try these on. These, I don't know how well they actually fit my face with this, but they're a little more round. I probably would, actually, I could probably just wear these in the car, because who cares what you look like when you're in the car? And y'all need sunglasses when you're driving around and the sun's in your face. So anyways, that was that. And then they also sent purse companions. Purse companions are like my favorite because you get like a box full of goodies. You never know what it's gonna be. So sometimes it's like makeup, sometimes it's lotion, sometimes it's just like little things like that. So this one is pretty much everything that I like. I received this L'Oreal Paris Revitalize, I don't even know what it is. Oh, it's Revitalift, my bad. Revitalift cream. I received like a full-size one last time, and I absolutely love it. It's like eye cream, face cream, and this is like a little tiny one. I'm really excited about that. I also received 2 of these perfect eyeliners in jet black and one's in charcoal gray. I am super excited to try these out because I really need some eyeliner pretty soon. So yeah, I like that a lot. So cool, cool. Also received in here is this little perfume. It says Jean Paul Gaultier. Not sure. Looks like a little mannequin body. I can't think of what it's called off the top of my head. That's really cute. Oh, and it just screws right off or lifts right up. Ooh, I don't like that smell, but that's super cute, and this is super cute for a gift. But you guys, that's it for my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and make sure you check out Bolzano. Like I said, links in the description box below. And if you liked this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.